In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to effectively block and unblock users on Threads. If you find yourself contending with unwanted comments or interactions, taking control of the situation is crucial. Blocking users who are causing you distress is a practical solution. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of effectively blocking and unblocking users on the Threads app. Begin by opening the Threads app on your device. Navigate to the profile page of the person you intend to block. At the top right corner of their profile, you'll find 3 dots. Tap on these dots to access the menu. Within the menu options, choose Block. A confirmation message will pop up, asking for your confirmation to proceed with the block. Confirm the action. Once blocked, the user will be unable to send you messages, follow you, or view your content. On the other hand, to unblock anyone, look for the globe icon located at the top left corner and tap on it. From the subsequent menu, select Blocked Accounts or Blocked Profiles. Threads integrates with Instagram for managing blocked accounts. You'll be directed to the Instagram app. Next, within the Instagram app, find the account you wish to unblock, tap on Unblock, and confirm the action. By understanding and following this seamless process of blocking and unblocking users, you'll be empowered to create a more positive experience on the Threads app. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.